Hello all, this is Gagana. Last week, that is on last Friday, Feb 28th, I gave birth to a boy baby. Its weight is around, its weight was around 3.42 kg. Today I'm making this video to share my experience, whatever I have gained in Pradipika Yoga Center. Initially, actually, first 3 months while when I was pregnant, like everybody used to tell that you should not do yoga or any other exercises. So hearing that, even I also skipped the first 3 months. But I kept on searching. I wanted to do yoga, and as I wanted to have a normal delivery. So by the end of my third month, I searched and through Google I got this Pradipika Yoga Center and I joined the classes. And the classes were so effective for me, and I was very much regular to the classes. Almost, I think I haven't skipped like for more days. Almost all days I have tried my best to attend because by doing yoga, my entire body, like I was in complete in ease. Okay, I was feeling very refreshed. I was feeling very active. Okay, so actually the first 3 months only I suffered more because at that time everybody used to restrict, like you should not do that, this and all. So as there was no physical activity, I faced back pain and all those things in first 3 months only, and I had too much of vomiting also. First 3 months I faced very much, but after once I joined the yoga class, I was like the whole of my next second trimester and third trimester of my pregnancy, I was completely active. Okay, and I was very happy, and that helped my baby also to be active actually. I used to do all my works. Okay, I used to work at home, I used to work in office. Okay, I used to conduct classes. I used to come to yoga class. Like I was like just like a normal. I used to never feel that I am carrying somebody in my stomach, or I used to never feel that what do you say? Um that heaviness thing and all, and I didn't face any swelling problem. I didn't face any BP issues, thyroid issues, or diabetes issue. Usually during pregnancy we face all these things, at least in the borderline we'll be getting. So I was very happy that whole of my pregnancy I was very much active, and this is because of Shiv Shankar sir, who helped me in every stage. I used to share with him everything, even a single small thing doubts I had. So he used to guide me in a right way, and he used to tell me all the alternatives, what best naturally we could do it. So all the, especially pranayama, helped me to keep my mind in ease. Usually I get angry very soon. We know that during pregnancy there will be so much mood swings and all, so I could control all those things. And Shiv Shankar sir is like, he helped me a lot, and I'm very much thankful for him. And now it's like I have given birth to a baby boy, and it's a normal delivery, and I'm very happy for it. I trust me, like if I wouldn't have gone to the yoga class, I wouldn't have given birth through a normal delivery. So I suggest every woman, it is not only during pregnancy, even later also you could do. I am actually waiting, like now also after 1 or 2 months I will be joining back to the yoga classes, so that I have to get back my original form. Okay, so I suggest all the women. Okay, so kindly do yoga. It will really help you out in your pregnancy. Especially pregnancy is a very nice period wherein you have to enjoy each and every moment. But what happens is, we have back pain, that pain, this pain, swelling, all those thyroid issues and all those things we have, and we don't enjoy our pregnancy itself. I literally enjoyed my pregnancy, and I used to listen to music, I used to listen to God songs, everything, all like sir used to suggest me everything, you do this, you do that, and really it helped me out a lot. So kindly I would suggest every woman to do yoga in all in the whole of their life, especially during pregnancy. It is very much suggested. And thank you all. Have a nice day. Happy Women's Day.